This beautiful Filipina got inside a guy's car and instantly noticed girl products everywhere. She froze and asked, "Wait, whose stuff is this?" He casually replied, "My sister's," which made her feel overwhelmed with emotion. But what he said next was so hilarious. You'll question this Filipina's sanity. Wait for it.
Ano?
Ano to?
Ano to?
Kanino to? Hindi akin to ah.
Sa kapatid kong babae yan.
Sa kapatid mong babae?
Oo.
Bigla-bigla ka nagkakaroon ng kapatid na babae?
May kapatid naman talaga ako
May kapatid kang babae nang hindi ko alam?
Yung bunso namin.
Oh, may liptin pa dito?
Naglilipit na yung kapatid ko.
Hindi akin to. Kanino to?
Sa kapatid ko yan.
May gamit na pang babae dito sa kotse mo. Alam mo,
Ma'am,
Wait before he explains. Smash that like button and subscribe because this takes a turn nobody saw coming.
grab to. Hindi to ano ha. Grab to, grab.
Agrab ba to?
Ang tagal-tagal kitang inantay dito. Tapos ngayon magaganyan-ganyan ka. Grab to, ma'am.
Agrab ba to? Ay, doon na pala ako.
At saka dito sa likod ka dahil asawa ko nakaupo dyan.
Sorry.
Sige na.
Sorry kuya. Kala ko kasi boyfriend.
Boyfriend.